So I just received my replacement lint basket for my LG dryer, and here it is, nice and clean. And it also comes with this really cool vent cleaner. And so here is my model, as you can see here. And this is covered. You can see in the description that this model is covered. And here is my old lint screen here, and it has seen better days. It actually has a rip right here. So I'm going to go ahead and replace that with the new. So you can see old versus new. They look very similar. And so let's see how the new one fits. Perfect. So if you are looking for a replacement lint basket for your LG dryer, I 100% recommend this one.